Hello and welcome to another Bodgit and Leggit video. Now look what we have, new tools. And yeah, this is the new tools I've got over the last few months. Now obviously you might have seen this one already. I've done a review on this. There's a few more reviews to do on it. Got this sent from Hubby Tools, so thank you very much Hubby Tools. This is a fantastic brake bleeder, the professional version of it. And obviously when I did the video on that, I got a few questions. Surely the £15 one does the same as this? Well, yes and no. I mean, for the newer cars, for constant pressure, you need something like this. End of story. Now, I also got this sent to me from CTA, and what this is an adapter for a brake bleeder, but it's a universal adapter. So I will be doing another review on this when I actually get a car that needs this, because some cars don't have the traditional, where are we looking, cap, and you need something like this. Now this is a big rubber cap, and as you drop that, as you put this down and put the chain around the reservoir, which is there, you screw it down, it'll keep pressure on. You connect your brake machine or brake bleeder, whatever you have, to it, and you can bleed them brakes. You can literally use this on anything. So I will be doing a separate review on that, so thank you to them. Again, another fantastic piece of kit. Let's leave that there. And everything else I brought. So we'll start from here. We've got some 24-inch and 14-inch Stilsons. These are from Expert, which is Brit-Tool, but they've rebranded to Expert for the American market, I believe, which is stupid in my opinion, because when we think of Expert, we think of Draper, and initially when you say Expert, you don't really think of something like this. So that's just the way they've gone. Having said that, I've used Draper Expert tools and nothing wrong with them. So there we go. I got them on special offer, and that's the reason I got these. You really never have enough Stilsons. They're absolutely fantastic, but they were half price each. So they were basically, I got both of these cheaper than I could have got actually this one for, so that's why I went for them on the tool truck. Now, I got a few other bits from Hubby Tools, but I actually paid for them. I got some magnet pickups, so just in a telescopic rod. As you can see, it's absolutely huge, and it's magnetic, so you can pick up stuff, and as you can see, I just picked up that huge plier. So these are really good. I got two of them because, again, it's just handy. You know, you can never have too many of these. You drop a bolt, extend it, bang, pick it up, sorted, done. Also got this from Hubby Tools as well. The light with a mirror, which is really handy. That light, so when you go in an engine bay and you need to see something and it's dark, it actually lights up. You can see there. So it actually lights up, and then you can see what you're doing. So you don't need a separate light. You don't need two hands. One holding the torch, one holding the mirror, and then you've got no hands to do anything. So with this, you just flick it on. There's a lever here, as you can see, where my finger is, or my thumb, and that moves the mirror. So you can actually adjust the mirror and you can see what you need to see. Again, absolutely brilliant. Also got these from Hubby Tools. These are the new Style Pliers. I got pliers, snips, and long nose pliers, but they're not ordinary ones, as you can see. As you open them up, I don't know if you can see that. Just let me try and get that. You can see the way they open. They don't open like a normal pliers, and they've got this here. You can see that. What this is designed to do is give you extra grip. It's like an extra fulcrum in there, and you'd use the same pressure, but it grips so much tighter at this end. So especially for snips, you don't have to really crank down on them, because the lever, you've got like an extra lever in there which is doing it all for you. So these are really good, and especially when you're holding something, obviously, you know, you can hold it here and it's gripping there. And I got the set of them, which are brilliant. And the last thing I actually got from Hubby Tools was this. Now this is the extender kit to my brake bleeders. This has all the different style, well, not all of them, but like say, I think it's like 98% or 95% of the ones. There's all different connections in here. We've even got, so if we want to do a complete brake flush, we can actually there's a syringe here and we can suck out the brake fluid. Again, I am going to be doing another video on them where I'll be showing this, because I'm doing another video on this machine to do a full brake flush. So yeah, I got them. We also got, what else did we get? Yes, we got the new Trident Set from 13 to 19. They're impact, long reach and normal. Show them in a second, but they are the 12-sided. So again, you know, 12-sided only for certain things, but I've got the impact for the normal ones, and we've got the long reach impact here as well. Again, 12-sided, so that's handy. I'm also getting the ones going further up for all the new hubs and stuff, so there is from, I think that's, well actually, sorry, does that go to 27? 13 to 27. And I got from 27 up to 36, but they're not here yet. And the last thing I got is a Matco tool. And this is a diesel compression, but it's a digital one. So, we'll turn it on. And what I like about this, is I get the camera in, is you can actually save. So as you're doing your compressions, you can actually, it'll save the cylinder, it'll tell you what cylinder it is, and you can go back and you can do averages, you can do all sorts. It's only for a diesel, it goes up to 1000 psi, but I am going to get a different adapter so I can use it for my petrol one as well, because I'm sure as long as I can get the right adapter, I don't see the reason why I can't use it for my petrol one. So that's going to be handy. It's just nice to have a digital reading sometimes. It also does it PSI, bar and kPa. So it does it in a few different readings, which is handy. And like I said, it will do ordinary engine and V engines as well. Now when it goes to V, it just means when you press it to V, on the normal one it counts from 1 to 6, on the V it counts from 1 to 12 essentially, because if you've got a V engine, you know, you can have more than 6 cylinders. So that's it, short and sweet. Oh no, actually, sorry, one more. Last thing I got was this laser 6424, and this is designed for the new glow plugs, the PSG glow plugs. It's slimline, so for the newer glow plugs that have got the compression sensor in them, you need slightly different tools. These are slightly thinner than the ordinary ones, and also it has these little protection things as well, so you don't essentially short glow plug, because the glow plugs are ridiculously expensive, and if you use ordinary sockets, you can earth them out and destroy them. You know, and in Ireland for a set of 4 glow plugs is like €1,000, so you don't really want to be earthing them out. These are just super thin, the 1/4 inch and 3/8, but even the 3/8 and the 1/4, they're a lot smaller than the normal 1/4 inch drive you get. You get some specialist sockets as well, as you can see. Great set. Now, if you was thinking of buying a glow plug set, I would go for if you haven't got any, go for these straight away, because these will do the ordinary plugs, but they also do the PSG plugs as well. So you kind of get a double whammy, which is obviously good, because you don't have to buy 2 sets. It's one of the most complete sets I found. That's why I got this one. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed my new tools. Some sexy tools, I think you'll agree. This is the problem with this game. You never can have enough tools. Always need more. And I still need more. But anyway, that's it, people. Oh, there's actually one more thing I got. Let's give you a quick sneak peek, so I'm going to do a separate video on it. Are you ready? We are going to have to be very quick, because I want to do a separate video on this. But you ready? Boom! There we go. That's it. Separate video coming up on that bad boy. So that's it, people. Hope you enjoyed it. Always nice to have new tools, and everyone seems to enjoy tool videos. And there we go, people. That's it. So look, hope it helps. Thumbs up, share, subscribe, all the usual. Don't forget, links up here, links down below. But most importantly, don't forget, get your hands dirty. See you for the next one. Sorted.